It is now Sunday. This is the 3rd of January. Happy New Year. So far there's no work. But don't worry, you got videos. I made sure I looked after you guys. So when there's nothing to do, you sit at home and you create other stuff to speed up the work progress of doing video editing. So I spent a couple hours today and we call them bottom thirds. They show up here underneath the bottom. Called bottom third sliders. So I built a few new of those today using After Effects, Photoshop, and Final Cut Pro. Hone my skills, always trying to learn new things, so this is what I made today. Have a look-see. Oh. Yeah, looking good. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a picture of a truck that was straight on, that was clean. So I had a few people hit me up about these dash mods that I've been doing. The vinyl wrap, it's pretty touchy. It's, you know, I'd hate to, I would definitely accept one and take people's money, of course, because I have nothing else better to do than to make extra money on the side so I can buy a new computer. The problem with it is you heat shrink it to put it on the dash, and eventually when winter comes around again, it's fine in the summer, but when winter comes around again and you run the heater all day and you guys like to be hot truckers, and it starts to shrink around the corners of the bezel where it's silver, it goes around the gauge clusters, so it pulls up a little bit. And I did have a problem with my road train truck where it had the safeties for the power divider, the interlock, and the axles, all that. It was super tight with that extra 3M around the edge of that trim on top of having that safety there. It was fine for me, but it was a little bit of stiffness to push the button. So there is some ups and downs of it. Like, I would love to offer it for a fee, but maybe prototyping, I don't know. Like, I've only done 3 of them so far. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, actually 4. Done 4. So, and so far only Kenworth. If you guys have the older trucks and have a flat dash, like pre-2006, I do believe that's got all the gauges that you would have to pull out. Like, if you guys want to buy those panels and send them to me, that is super easy, but then again, I would say you're better off just try it yourself and save yourself the money. If you can wrap a present, you can do those dashes pretty easy. So, other than that, you know, I'm looking into kind of that stuff. It would be so much nicer to be able to, like, hydro dip. I've been looking into that a little bit too, because that is a way easier process and it's way more durable too. So I'll go to look into that and I'll get back to you guys on that.